everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Cookbook Kitchen. This is a channel where we tell recipes from different cookbooks, and of course guys, today we are bringing you a new recipe from Dr. Gundry's book, The Plant Paradox Cookbook, and it is my favorite cookbook because it's the first cookbook that I ever bought and I love it so much. I love it so much. This is the first cookbook that I bought, and that's how my journey of buying cookbooks started, and that's how the journey of this particular channel started. So let me show you the cookbook and let me show you what we are cooking today. This is a Plant Paradox Cookbook by Dr. Gundry. If you don't know it, this cookbook is about lectin-free, gluten-free, plant paradox diet and recipes. Get this book and other books that he also has. And guys, he has a new book. I've already bought it. It's here, it's home, it's in this house. So just relax and wait for the recipes that you're going to cook from that cookbook. So today guys, we are going to make carrot cake muffins, and we have a photo. This is what we are going to make today. Some carrot cake muffins, and you're going to make them with almond flour, among other things that I will show you as we begin the video. Karibu sana. So guys, this is what we are working with for this carrot cake recipe by Dr. G. So we have some almond flour. This is the almond flour, and then I have some things here on the plate. I have some coconut flour, I have some nutmeg, some cinnamon, some ginger, some salt, and some baking soda. I have some eggs. This is erythritol. This is walnuts, avocado oil, but you can also use MCT oil. I'm using avocado oil is what I have. I have some coconut milk, and of course some carrots. It's carrot cake muffins. Why? We cannot miss having carrots, and some vanilla. So let's begin. You need to get the book to get the exact measurements for the recipes, guys. So in my bowl, I already put my almond flour. So I'll add the coconut flour, the baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and ginger, plus nutmeg. So we mix. So we put that aside. Then we are going to mix our coconut milk with the eggs. But let me beat the eggs a bit because my bowl is not that big, it's small. Put the eggs. The avocado oil, and then the vanilla, like that. Then my sweetener. So we are going to mix the dry and the wet, then we'll add the carrots and the walnuts, and then from there we are going to we are going to put them in our muffin tin. So I pour my wet there. Carrots and the walnuts. My people, our cupcakes are ready. They are here. They are here. Look at them. Look at them. See the way they look, so nice and so yummy. And of course, before we end the video, I have to do my duty very well of tasting the cupcakes for you guys. So let me taste. Can you see the carrots inside? The grated carrots, guys. So let's see. The first thing I've noticed, what I've tasted, is the walnuts. Hey, walnuts, can you relax? You're pronouncing yourself so quickly. Guys, this recipe is yummy. It's wow. It's really nice. And the taste of the walnuts, the spices, because we had some ginger, we have some nutmeg and some cinnamon. Wow. The taste is really, really rich. And the flavors are just something else. So try out this particular recipe, guys, and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. What other recipes of Dr. Gundry have you tried? Have you ever heard of Dr. Gundry, the Plum Paradox? Let me know in the comment section. So that's it for today. Bye bye and God bless.